How to get constant contact free trial. In this video, I will explain you each and everything that how you can get constant contact free trial, right? So here you have to just go to the constant contact here and make sure you just log in, right? So if you can't log in, then of course you have to start the trial. So before just moving to the start the trial, I will explain you regarding pricing. So you have to just go and click on the pricing here, and once you're here, you will get three plans, which is basically the light plan, standard plan, and premier plan, right? And you have to choose any of the plan. You can just choose your plan according to your requirement. And once you choose any of the plan, here you can see these are the features regarding each and every plan. And for example, I choose this light plan. And if I just want to purchase this out, then basically I have to enter my email address and password, right? And here they accept each and everything. For example, PayPal, Discover, Visa, right? So it doesn't matter which plan you go with, you will get a free trial, right? So to get a free trial, you don't need to put any coupon or any affiliates link. You have to just, create an account over constant contact and you will get a free trial. So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video very useful.